Elevate your kitchen with the new range of premium LG ovens, induction cooktops, and range hoods. Hi, Christian from LG here, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the steam capabilities of our Series 9 models, Full Steam and Steam Assist. LG Full Steam is an innovative technology that gently steams your food, locking in nutrients and flavors for delicious and healthy results. Enjoy vibrant vegetables, tender seafood, and fluffy steamed buns, all whilst preserving valuable vitamins and minerals. Enjoy restaurant quality results at home with LG Steam Assist. This innovative function adds a touch of steam during baking or roasting, creating a moist, fluffy interior for your breads and pastries and juicier, tender roast. Steam can be adjusted to low, medium, or high and is available in most cooking modes. Before using any of the Series 9 steam functions, you'll need to fill the water tank. This is quick and easy, and your oven or the ThinQ app will tell you when it's time to do so. The door will open automatically on the Series 9 Full Steam model, whereas the Series 9 Steam Assist, the door will pop out partially to be manually fully opened. Find out more about the full range of cooking appliances now available from LG.